4 o'clock in the afternoon.
What do you think?
So we're down here in Massapequa trying to do some prep work for one of the liners we're going to shoot later this week. And we have a unique situation. We're actually fighting the tide on this one. We don't do a lot of oceanfront work. We just happen to be close to the boatways and whatnot here, and our storm drains go from the road and tie directly into the causeways. In this scenario, our end of pipe is actually below water level for most of the day. So we have to time all of our work accordingly so that we can clean the pipe and get the liner in.
We've found a little bit of an issue with the rising and lowering tides that we're dealing with working right on the water here. So behind me we have James. He is currently building a dam, a makeshift dam, so that we can work around the tide, not against it. And hopefully tomorrow and the day after we can get some liners into the ground. This dam will keep the lines from getting wet overnight, making more of a problem. And it's just avoiding any issues that we might have going forward.
All right, this is day 3 at Massapequa. The pipe's 100% clean, everything's all set. Me and the crew right now is getting everything set up, and we're ready to shoot this liner, so let's go.